Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lentil soup Caribbean style. Start by rinsing 2 cups of lentils and prepping aromatics like onion, garlic, scallion, and thyme. Sauté until soft and fragrant, then add spices and Scotch bonnet for a gentle heat. Pour in stock and coconut milk. Simmer until lentils soften and flavors meld, then finish with lime juice and chopped cilantro for brightness. We'll walk through each cooking step so your soup turns out flavorful and balanced. First, sauté onion, garlic, and scallion in oil until translucent and aromatic. Add thyme, bay leaf, allspice, and rinsed lentils, then pour in enough stock to cover by about 1 inch. Simmer gently until lentils are tender, stir in coconut milk, adjust salt, finish with lime juice and cilantro, and serve warm. I'll suggest serving ideas and simple swaps to suit your taste and pantry. Ladle the soup over rice or pair it with crusty bread for a filling meal. Stir in diced sweet potato or chopped spinach to boost nutrition and texture. Control spiciness by removing Scotch bonnet seeds or substituting milder peppers. Finish each bowl with a squeeze of lime and fresh cilantro for brightness and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.